What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Welcome back to another travel edition of my cash stuffing. I am here filming this time because y'all, baby girl, she scared me last time. After we recorded our last video, she actually passed out, and it was random. And we went to the ER. It was an all-day thing. Your girl, the fact that I can even talk about it, it's been like several days. It's just crazy. I'm just so glad that she is okay. She was just a little dehydrated, so we've been up on our fluids, right. And she's been doing fine. We haven't had anything else happen, but it is just a reminder that life is so short, and this is why I live for these trips, to be able to spend time with her. Even though I'm here for business and a few other things, we are still having fun on a budget, right?
Right.
Okay, so today will be Eva's hands in the video for the cash stuffing. And we are going to dive right in. So are you ready, Eva? The first thing we need to do is a wallet unstuffing. So let's see how much wallet money we have left over in my everyday wallet that I carry with me.
Guessing this one?
Yes. Let's see what we got left. This is my favorite part of cash stuffings because whenever I have money left over, I'm just always shocked. Yep, just make a pile of money.
Okay.
And you'll count it up at the end. So we had $20 left over in row. Ooh, groceries still had $25 left. Tips got something in there.
I saw $5. Oh, $6.
All right. Eating out, that has to be empty.
Hawaii got $10.
Okay, that's probably a mistake. That probably was supposed to be in miscellaneous, but it's okay.
$10.
Okay. And then I think that's it.
Yep.
Alrighty, so now let's count it all up and see how much we have left over. You can put it in order if you want.
I was doing it.
Oh.
It's already in order. Okay. Okay. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71.
Okay, so $71 is what we have left over. Now, normally I would put this in my savings challenge, debits day off, but I need to put some money to the side for our beauty. So we're going to do that. We're going to take our sinking funds, boom, and it is going to go in the beauty cash envelope.
Beauty. Oh, right here. All of it?
All of it, girl. And we're going to count up how much we have all together.
Okay.
Okay.
20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 90, 100, 10, 6. Okay. 116.
Okay, good job, Eva. We have $116 for beauty. I'll update our trackers later. And now it is time to talk about our paycheck budget. So for this week, we are going to be budgeting a total of $3,476.53. So of course, I'll throw the budget on the screen. We sent $1,600 to rent. Y'all, I gave up on trying to save money for food, and we are putting $400 to the side for food because I can't do it. I cannot. I tried and it's not working. Like, I looked at how much money Micah is spending on food just for himself, and I compared it to what we've been spending on food. And yeah, we're just gonna do $400 for the next 2 weeks for a family of 3. And then we're going to pay my credit card, which is a transfer balance credit card of a lot of different credit cards that I had. And so that is going to be $380. Then we are sending $300 to our emergency fund because we pretty much already know that we're going to have a pretty large medical bill. And so we're just going to go ahead and just anticipate having to use our emergency fund to cover that for Eva, but we don't care because we got her and she's okay. And that's all that matters. And that is why you have an emergency fund. But we'll have to go ahead and start over again. Next up, Micah got his usual $200. Then we sent $296 to the savings for Tesla, our monthly car payment, $10 to our small savings account. And then we are going to cash stuff $290, which is what you see here. And we left 53 cents in our account as buffer. Okay, so I got my cash breakdown ready. Are you ready, Eva?
Yep.
Okay, so first up, let's stuff this bad boy. We're going to start with car insurance. Car insurance is going to get $30.
$30. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's going to be a 20 and a 10. I'm sorry.
Okay, you gotta tell me.
I got to tell you. I'm sorry. This is my first time having to do this.
Me too.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you.
Okay, and let's see. Do we have anything in there?
Yeah, we got. What do we got in here? Ooh, wow.
All right, put it all together. Let's see how much we have total.
$210.
All righty. So the goal is to add $155 per month. And so we are chugging away at that. Next up is gifts.
Gifts.
It's going to get $5.
Oh, $10.
Okay, so now gifts has $10. Oh, girl, we're going to have to talk about how your money be facing all different directions. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
No!
Okay, next is Hawaii. It's getting $20.
Oh, my God.
How much you got total?
Okay, 100, 200, 40, 46.
All right.
$246.
$246 in Hawaii. So that's our money to help offset the money we will have to spend for increased rent or a new security deposit. So we're getting there, chugging along. Next is health, which is going to get $5. And this is for regular, everyday medical appointments, co-pays and stuff, medication in case we're feeling sick, that type of thing.
5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, so $15 for health. Next up is house and hygiene. It's getting $5.
And it has $30.
Okay. Next is Mike. He's getting $5.
Oh, right here. That's weird. And that has $10.
So he has $10. Next is Ro. Ro is getting $5 also.
Okay.
It's okay if it's not perfect down in there.
Oh, that's just hanging out.
Ro is, no, it's in alphabetical order.
Oh. How much is it gonna get again?
I'm getting $5.
Whoa. $5. $10.
Okay. And then next is gonna be taxes.
Tesla taxes. How much is that gonna get?
$5.
$100. $130.
Okay, so taxes has $130. That's good. And that is to cover Micah's W-2 taxes getting done by a tax professional. Next is Tesla.
How much is that getting?
Tesla's getting $10.
And Tesla now has $80.
No, a little more.
$80.
That's a 50.
50. Oh, sorry. $100.
Okay, 50, 70, 90, 100.
Yeah.
Okay, and now Savopoli. We are just going to add to some of these savings challenges. I am going to add $5 to Savopoli. I did not bring dice, but just going to add to it because we are trying to be consistent.
Kapolei has 100, 200, $10, 20, $220.
Okay. Next is Travelopoly, but Travelopoly is our savings challenge, our summer savings challenge that we are doing inside of our Facebook group. So we will not be doing that one on camera. So if you want to join in the Travelopoly, let me show it to you guys. Okay. So Travelopoly is similar to Saveopoly, except it has a travel theme going on and the balances are a little bit different, the savings amounts. So I have a bunch of those different type of savings challenges on my website, RochelleAdamson.com. Okay, let's move on.
Go to work.
Zero out. I did not add anything to zero out this week, so we're just going to flip past that one. 26 week. We are not doing the 26 week challenge today.
Let's stay off.
Debit's day off.
Oh.
We normally would put the money that we had left over in my wallet there, but we put it somewhere else this time. So we'll keep on moving. Keep on moving.
Did not see that.
Okay, so monthly challenge is going to get $10.
$10.
Yes. Oh, that's the envelope. The clear.
Oh. Oh, okay. Wow. I never knew.
Lord. Okay, so that is for debt pay down June. So that I will fill in once I have my markers and I'm back home. Next is the nickel challenge. We're not doing the nickel challenge today. Emergency fund, we added $300 to it electronically. So I will update the tracker when I get home so we can skip to the next one. The 50 envelope challenge is not portable. I did not bring it with me, so we are not adding to that. Investing challenge is going to get $5.
$5.
Yes.
Now it is $5.
Next is Eva's investing. It's going to get $10.
Ooh.
Y'all, I just got a notice today in my email that Stockpile app is now a paid app. I think
What?
I'll be leaving. So we will be moving Eva's account to another investing platform. Okay, so that is the Boss Up Savings Secure the Bag Savings Challenge by Money with Gab. Y'all, I pulled that money. We've been spending that money for our business trip. So I had saved about $50 or $55. So yes, I'm so happy. Love those savings challenges. And then the other savings challenge that I had pulled for this trip was the $500 savings challenge by Plan Your One Life. I only had saved about $40 total, but still every little bit helped. And it helped so that we could cash flow most of our expenses. So savings challenges for the win. Now we are going to go back to my wallet and we're going to stuff the rest of the cash there.
Thick.
Okay, so first up, how many fives do we have left?
5s. 2.
Okay, let's take $10, those fives, and put it in row.
Okay.
Yep. Perfect. Next up is groceries. Groceries is going to get, we'll just do $20. And that is just in case we want to buy anything else for our trip. We like to shop and buy our stuff from the grocery store. It's cheaper sometimes than ordering takeout. Tips is going to get $20. I've been really nice. Like, I've just been feeling like tipping generously. And I'm always, like, Micah always jokes me about my tip, and he says my tipping is so extra. But I'm so appreciative. I was raised to tip generously because my dad was a waiter growing up in college. So he's the same way. I get it from him. What's next, E?
Eating out.
Eating out is going to get, how much do we have left?
This is at least $100, I know.
Okay. Okay, so we'll do $60 in eating out.
Okay.
How you feeling so far?
Powerful.
Oh my, okay. Okay. Okay, so Hawaii we're going to skip because we're not there now. Miscellaneous is going to get the rest, $60.
Oh, okay.
Doing a good job. My money looking all nice and folded neatly. And that is our cash stuffing for today. Thank you, Eva. Good job.
No.
Oh, I cut it off by mistake. Anything you'd like to say?
Have a nice day.
You gonna do my line?
Okay. Peace, love, and budgets.